Strategies for renovating multifamily. What is happening, YouTube? It's Matt Faircloth. Welcome to Mentorship Monday. Thank you for watching. Today's Mentorship Monday questiones comes from Anna. And Anna is buying her first multifamily investment property. Here's a high five for you, Anna, for buying your first multifamily investment property. I'm looking for some help. It's all right. I got your back. She needs to increase rents and do some renovations. So interesting. Good. All right. You gotta do renovations to bring properties up to market. I'm in. She wants to increase rents by $350 to $400 a month. That's awesome. One thing Anna doesn't tell us is how many units she's got. So it's a scale. So if she's got 10 units, that's $4,000 a month if she can get $400 per door out of the complex. Great. If she's only got 2 units, different conversation. And if she's got 100 units, that's a really big conversation. So depends on the amount of units on the amount of splash she's going to make on her income by increasing by $400 a unit. Right. Interesting though that she says I have no leases. Wow. Okay. That is not the subject of today's conversation, but I wanted to just throw out there to you, Anna, if you're watching, that you want to get leases, and that signing the lease contract may be a place right there to get your rent increase. Maybe not $400, but you can get something to get closer to market if tenants want to just stay in their units. So Anna's real question is, should I let tenants go and do renovations, meaning push tenants out, non-renew leases if you're allowed to do that in the state that you're in, or should I do renovations with tenants in place? So I have found that doing renovations with tenants in place is not, it doesn't really work because tenants tend to damage stuff. They tend to not treat the property very well. They can just do damage. It's also hard to work around the tenants. You got to redo kitchens, you got to redo flooring, and the renovations you got to do to bring a property up to market standard if it's a real big reno is going to be very hard to do with a tenant in place. Here's what I recommend you do. Odds are at least one of your tenants are going to move out right when you take ownership, or you can find the worst tenant that's underperforming on rent and push them out. Then you renovate that apartment. Then you go to the other tenant base and say, hey, I'm going to start renovating these apartments. This is the model. This is what they're all going to look like. And whoever renews first, you get them to renew their lease, and they have to move into that apartment, or they can stay where they are but pay a moderate increase in rents. Right. So you push tenants into renovated units. They have to vacate the unrenovated unit, and then as they vacate the unrenovated unit, you renovate that one. We're doing that right now on a 198 unit complex. Every time a tenant renews, they have to move to a renovated apartment, or they can move out. One of the two. If your apartment complex is not that big to where you're not going to always have inventory of vacant units, then you might have to just do first come first serve. But bottom line, out of my recommendation is to offer tenants renovated units that you renovated vacant, and then offer tenants to renew to those spaces. And like I said, use the fact that you don't have leases to your advantage to get tenants onto new contracts that maybe have some more rent in there. So that's it. Good luck, Anna. Thank you for your Mentorship Monday question. And thank you guys for watching. As you know, if you guys like what we do, you want to take a minute and subscribe to our channel right now and subscribe to our newsletter so we can keep up with you guys. Thank you for watching, and have an awesome Monday and a great profitable week.